Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in this video we'll be dealing on junctions. Okay, when you find yourself in a junction like this, how do you order yourself? Who's going to go first? Who's going to go second? Who's going to go third according to this diagram here? Okay guys, so this video we're going to cover all that in this video. But before we get started, please do it to share my video to your friends and families. And okay, if you just see my video for the first time, you're welcome to my family. Please like my video. If you like the video I'm sharing for you, like it, and as well turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. And if there's anything that is bothering you, anything you want us to post, okay, if there's any particular question that has been a trouble to you that you do not understand, please leave it in the comments section, and I'm going to do a video regarding that to as well help you understand better. Okay, so when you see yourself in this junction, what are you going to do? Now we have car A, we have car R, and we also have car C as indicated in this video. Now car R is supposed to go to this direction, the same direction as car A, and we have C going all the way to this direction. How are they going to order themselves? Who's going to go? Okay, remember guys, anytime you find yourself in a junction, okay, give right of way to those vehicles from your right. Okay, if there's any vehicle at your right hand side, you are going to wait for that vehicle to go. Have that in your mind, have that in your head, so as you are pushing the junction, it won't be hard for you, it won't be difficult for you. Okay, so we have car R, A and C. In this particular diagram, in this particular junction, as you're seeing here, car R will go first. Why? Because car R has its right hand free. Okay, car R has its right hand side free. Now if we say car A should go first, R is at the right hand side of A, therefore A cannot closer. If we say A should go first, R is at the right hand side of A, therefore A cannot go. Now, if we say C should go first, if C is going first, A is at the right hand side of C, thereby C cannot go first. Remember, you have to give right of way to vehicles at your right hand side. Now, if we say R should go first, there's no vehicle here obstructing R from moving. There's no vehicle obstructing R from moving. His right hand side is free. Therefore, R is going to go first. Okay, hope you understand it, guys. Because there's no vehicle obstructing R from moving at the right hand side of R is going to go first. Okay, now we're going to take R out of the picture. I'm going to place it here as the number one to go. R is going to go first, right? What's happening to my pen now? R, I'm coming. Let me try and see. I don't know what's wrong with my pen. Okay, R is going to go first. Okay, how do we find the second person to go in this situation? Who's going to go second? Who is going to go second here? Okay, if we say C should go, of course, A is here stopping C from going, right? Okay, and we have to go if our right hand side is free. Now, R is no longer here. Here is free. Definitely, A is supposed to go because A now, at this point, has his right hand side free. There's no vehicle stopping him from going. Okay, there's the vehicle stopping C from going, and which is that vehicle? The vehicle is vehicle A, stopping C from moving. Okay, but since there's no vehicle stopping A from moving at his right hand side, A is gonna go second. Okay, A is gonna go second. Okay, and we are left with vehicle C. At this point, there's no vehicle now stopping C from moving, so C is going to go ultimo. So the last vehicle to go is C. So they're going to go in this order: R, A, and C. Okay, let me bring a second one for us to go with that again. So let me know if you understand. And if there's anything confusing, like I said, put it in the comment section. Okay, if you don't understand what I'm doing, anytime I post a video, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, I'm going to post again as regarding to what you commented, and as well give you answers to your question. So guys, I came up with this another diagram. Okay, just as seen, we have vehicle R, L, D, and B. So who's going to go first? Okay, remember, we are giving precedence, we are giving right of way to vehicles at your right hand side. If your right hand side is free, then you can go. Okay, so in this situation, we have these 4 vehicles. Who is going to go first? Now, if you say D should go, R is here stopping D from going because his right hand side is not free. Now, if you say B should go first, of course, D is here stopping B from moving. So what are we going to do in this kind of situation? Okay, so in this situation, the first vehicle to go is L. Okay, L will go first. The reason why L is going first, obviously, is because he has already gone out of the whole junction. He's already moving. Okay, he's not obstructing anybody here. He's moving already. He's out of the junction already. They just put it here to confuse you. Okay, do not look. L is out. Is gone. He's out of the junction. So he keeps going. Okay, L keeps going. Then the second vehicle to go is R. The reason why R, let me take L off this picture. L has gone, okay? Is out of the junction. They only kept it there to confuse you. You're going to find this particular diagram, remember, in the theory quiz. You're going to find this particular diagram there. You know, I told you, okay? So that you are going to understand better. You're going to find this diagram where L has already gone, being placed here just to confuse you. Just to know if actually you know what you're doing. So when you see that diagram, know that L has gone. He's not in competition with anybody. He's not looking for who to give precedence to or who not to give. No, he has gone already. Now we are left with these 3 vehicles, R, B, and D. Who is going to go first? Now, if we say B should go, obviously, it can't go. So R is going to go in this situation. Between these 3 vehicles, R is going to go. Why? Because R has his right-hand side free. There's no vehicle here stopping R from going. So R is going to go out of the picture. R is going straight forward. So he's going to go out of the picture. Okay? The second vehicle is R. Now, we are left with these 2 vehicles. Who is going to go first? Okay? Can you leave it in the comment section below? Okay? I know that this is not a live video, but I still want to know if you actually know what you did. Okay? If you're following, leave number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, the answers, okay, down in the comment section. I still want to know if you're actually following. Okay, so in this particular one, D is going to go first between the both of them. D and B left with us here to tell who is going to go first. So D is going to go first before B. Reason being that his right hand side now is free. There's no arrow again here stopping him from going. Arrow has gone. So apparently there's no vehicle here again. So D is going to go because now at this point his right hand side is free. Okay, D is going to go. And then we are left with veicoli B, the last vehicle, l'ultimo veicoli. B will be the last vehicle to go because now D is no longer here, stopping him from moving. So apparently here is now free at this point because D has gone. So B is free to go. So B will be the last to go in this particular junction. Okay, I hope you're understanding. They are going to go in this order: L, R, B, D, and B. L, R, D, and B. This direction, this is the way they're going to follow. Okay, just in case you find it in your quiz, when you're doing your quiz, don't know that they're going to go in this particular direction: L, R, D, and B. Okay, all right, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. Wait for it. If you're not turn on notification bell, turn on notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, guys, I love you. Can't love you less. See you in my next video. Bye.